My name is Emil, I'm 29 years old, I'm from Romania, Arad, and this is my fast food you can see around here. I've been an entrepreneur for 10 years now, and in the beginning of my YouTube career I started making videos in English, and I would like to continue with that. And this is why I decided to make a video about my businesses, which I run separately from my passion, which is YouTube. So let's make a tour around here at the fast food. I'll tell you some stuff which you need to know before you open a business of this magnitude or small magnitude. Either way, it's a good business and you can make a very nice profit out of it. I've been doing it for 10 years and thank God everything's going well. I want to talk to you about the most important thing that I consider is when you are deciding to make your own business, and that is location. Location is the most important thing, because if you have a good location, you're going to have a lot of customers that walk by your store every day, which is practically advertising for you. If you have an even better location, maybe you have the chance and you won't have any competition around you. And if you have a good idea, maybe some competition won't arrive in the years coming, like it happened in some cases for me. Sometimes when you find a good location, it doesn't matter how high the rent is, because in the end you have more profit if you have a lot of customers in your location, and that's finally good for you. So think about that. This is my second fast food that I opened. My first fast food that I opened was 10 years ago. I sold my car, I borrowed practically not some money, I borrowed this minivan from my parents, and I drove every day. I made grocery shopping. That's a very important aspect when having a fast food business like this. You must go and do grocery shopping every day, because fresh products are always better. They taste better and the client is more happy when they see fresh product on their plate. So even today the basics are the same. I have, on the left side of me, this is a shawarma rotisserie machine. I changed it a little bit at the blacksmith. I made these extra doors for keeping the heat in and cooking the meat better and actually slower and faster at the same time. It keeps the heat inside and makes a great bargain on the bill at the end of the month. So I saw on Amazon around $1,000. That's the price that I paid on one here in Romania too. This is one of the few accessories that I bought brand new. Most of them I tried when I first opened up my business. I tried buying them second hand because I tried to make the best bargain, but I tried to find second hand stuff which was really good and sterile and safe to use. Going on, very important thing in a fast food business is having some big fryers. The fryers are very important. You can fry many things in them. Of course, you fry them separately. So in one of them we fry fries. Then we have another frying machine in which we fry stuff like cordon bleu, chicken wings, and basically only stuff that's made of chicken. So going on, it's feeling weird doing these interviews, but I hope I'm doing a kind of a good job. Okay, the Panini Press. People like their bread a little bit toasted. They like their shawarma or their kebabs toasted. I'm talking today about shawarma and kebab because my first business was a shawarma and kebab business where I made these kind of shawarmas. And we had some bread which we ordered from a local bakery, and we use bread for the kebab, which we make here in some bread. Made locally and fresh every day also. It's giving it a great taste when the bread is fresh. Behind me, this time there are three, but in my first fast food business that I had only one microwave. Very good in fast foods because people like some food very hot, or maybe if they take away, then they want it extra heated, because until they get to the office or wherever they eat it, they want their food still to be hot. Disposable forks and knives, a lot cleaner this way. And we have here some refrigerators. This refrigerator we use for sauces and different spices and stuff that we keep cold. And these here next to us, we keep our beverages and alcoholic drinks for the customers. Maybe they want a refreshener. It's also an extra method to make an extra buck in a fast food business. Here we wash oral dishes and we keep everything clean that we use every day. Oral knives and all that we use. Going back to my first fast food business, I'm telling you all this because in my first fast food it wasn't this big as this one here in the right of me. You can show them the actual fast food of these days. Yeah, I hope you like it. This is my fast food today. It's a pretty nice place. I'm very proud of it. I hope you like it. Yes, I love it a lot. You can see the menu. I try to make it as cheap as possible. If you want to calculate, €1 is approximately 4.5 lei. So 9 lei will be €2, 10 lei will be €2 and a little bit. The prices aren't high, but we have a lot of customers and we make money year round, winter or summer. It's going great here. Going back on my first business, it costed €5,000 to open up, and in my opinion it was a very great investment. I was my own boss from the first day and I worked from the bottom of my heart to make it every day a little bit better. A very important thing that you must do for your business, that everything goes well, is marketing. And of course, if you have a good place where you opened up, you will have also some flyers which you can hand out to people that come and buy takeaway. Yeah, okay. And it's another great opportunity to make yourself some more commercial. When you go in some public spaces, you can hand some of these out and you can have some extra customers which can maybe order through a service and have their food delivered home. Maybe you have some spare time and you can deliver home at the beginning, or maybe you can hire a driver after a few months of your business and then you can have a home delivery system of your own. Okay, going on. I'm in charge now. Okay, let's go on. Here I have my surveillance cameras, which I find very important because every day I need to see what my employees are doing and see if the quality checks are all right. Everything's looking good, as you can see. I'm very proud of my employees. They keep everything clean and tidy. I practically love them for that. It's very important to keep everything clean every day because customers will see that, and in case you have a control or something like that, if somebody comes and checks out your place, they can see that everything's clean and fine and in their place. And that's nice. Only our stuff is here now. It's closed, but it's looking good. Even at night time, everything's lined up. Pretty nice. As I said, I'm really proud of my employees. Back here, I have a little deposit room. We keep our bread here. We don't have a lot because most of it is fresh. Our casseroles for takeaway. You can see we keep our fries and a few of our meats. So after you've done some good marketing and you've done your flyers and all your homework and some time has passed, maybe you can bring things to a step further, like I did. I made this little indoor kitchen here. I made this kitchen, you can see back here. This was an extra investment, so this doesn't come in the... Oh, I have some pancakes there. We attacked some pancakes, we found them here. This was an extra investment. We have some fridges back here also, where we keep some extra stuff. Pretty nice and tidy also. Ready for tomorrow. Ready for the serving. These utilities we have back here we use for some extra cooking stuff like purees and I don't know, rice needs to be made fresh and on the spot and can be made very quickly. It's looking pretty good here. After you make a menu, you need to think about keeping everything in check, like all the food you make, you buy, all the profits you make every day from it. You have to think in multiple scenarios. It's a risky business, money is involved, so you can never let your guard down. You gotta take care of yourself and your family. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to post some more videos like this on my channel. If you have some questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'm very eager to see what your opinion is about this fast food business, or if you have a fast food business or you have any questions of any kind, you can just write them below. Thank you, bye bye. Times are hard here in Romania.